Live na. Yes.
Yan, live na. Ito, tayo natin.
Let's see, live na. Ayan, live na. Sa atin nakikita.
Ayun.
Hello.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone joining in. I thank you. Hey guys, Jericho Rosales here. Mali. Mali. Kumusta guys? Hi. Shoutout. Hello Sandra. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Hope you're all having a wonderful Tuesday. Happy June. Ayun, kamusta yung May nyo? Yung May was my birthday. I just had a birthday recently.
Belated happy
Paano?
birthday.
Thank you guys. Alright. Paano po magpapogi? Ano? Pogi naman po kayo, sir. Attorney pala to eh. Attorney Alfred. Future Attorney Alfred. Ay, ba't ako nagsalute? Hindi naman sundalo. Sundalo. Kamusta guys? Hello. So, hello, shoutout, hello Nathan. So, yun lang guys, walang gitara. Di ko sanay walang gitara. Usually guys, may gitara ako sa live stream. So,
Song request.
ano gusto nyo
Song.
Uh,
Song request.
pwede naman mag-songs.
Shoutout daw from Camarines Norte.
Shoutout po sa inyo, Camarines Norte. Ay, mali. Ano po pangalan niya?
Oh,
Ayun, si Errol. Hello, Errol.
Pa-congratulate po sa akin. CPA na daw siya. Wow.
Oh, wow! Congrats! Sino? The voice is giving. Hello, Sir Joel.
Shoutout din daw Cagayan. Hindi mo pa-shoutout na sila.
Sinashoutout yung mismong probinsya eh, no?
Malaki ng sakop.
Laki ng sakop na yan. Inaisa-isa.
Nagpapaisa-isa na tuloy sila ng lugar nila. O, Bohol din daw.
Wow, dami.
Philippines.
Abi, shoutout po sa inyo, Philippines.
Sa Ligaw din.
Out of you.
So guys, kaya ako nag-live stream today kasi wala lang. Trip ko lang mag-live stream ngayon.
Pachika lang.
Saan ka ngayon po? Nandito po ako ngayon sa QC. Ayan, yun na lang. Dito po ako ngayon sa QC. May ginawa lang for something. Sorry guys, naka-NDA kasi ako guys. So hindi ko pwede sabihin eh. Galing mo naman magturo, Teacher KD. May new project? Yes, actually, I'm working on several projects. Pero, lahat sila naka-NDA, so hindi ko pwede sabihin. Oops. Pero, I'm working on multiple projects. Ayun, isa movie. May isang movie ngayon. Tapos, nasa isang teleserye ako ngayon. Tapos, meron din akong musical na gagawin. And then, ayun, I'm also doing voice acting. Voice actor na rin. I did my debut. Nag-debut ako for voice acting. Sun Chaser. Yung first episode, lalabas siya sa June 21. So, ayun po.
Oh, about your music video, di ba kaka-drop?
Yes, ayun, yung music video. I had a music video. Thank you, Ashley and Rave, for being so patient, for being so, being so nice. Napaka-cute nilang dalawa. And, ayun, sobrang nakakatuwa lang na kinukuya ako ngayon. 'Di ba? Kasi dati ako yung nagkukuya sa mga artista, kapwa-artista ko dati. Ngayon ako yung kuya.
How was it like working with them?
Yeah, Ash Rave, they're so sobrang chill lang nila. Sobrang like I was just with them dun sa dressing room. And I asked them kasi yung call time ko mga 7 PM na. Pero sila mga 6 AM. Na-call sila 6 AM. Pero they're still happy. They're still still enjoying the shoot. And hindi madali maging patient sa industriya na to. Like Legit. There will be days na parang mga 12-hour, mag-aabang ka lang ng 12 hours, ganun. So, Ashraf, thank you for being patient din.
They like your hair daw.
They like my hair. Thank you. Shoutout kay Hernan. Hernan gumawa ng hair ko. Ayun. Ayun guys.
Pogi mo raw.
Ay, salamat. Salamat po. Sakto lang. Shoutout. Hello, Hiroshi. Ayun guys, ang daming kong project ngayon actually. Like I feel super blessed. And Why Speak guys. Hope you guys are watching Why Speak.
Yeah.
Oo.
They want to know about your audition daw sa Sun Chaser.
Sun Chaser. Super last minute yan. Nasa out of town ako noon. Tapos in the middle din of bagets. Tapos may nakuha akong email bigla or like from my team na KD, can you send yung sides mo lang, yung lines mo for itong animated series na to called Sun Chaser. Tapos chinek ko yung role. 10 years old. 10 years old na role. Tapos yung pangalan niya Labamba. Tapos nagulat ako. Like 10 year old, how can I do a 10-year-old? Sige, so chinal ko lang yung 10-year-old ko. So, ayun. Effective naman. So, nandun yung trailer lang sa punta kayo sa IG, tapos Sun Chaser series. Ayun, makikita nyo. Ito yung boses ko.
Mabuhay and welcome back to another life-threatening episode of Summer at Lola.
Boses ko.
That was yours?
That's right. Ito.
Mabuhay and welcome back to another life-threatening episode of Summer at Lola.
Mabuhay!
Can you try to do it like?
Ang hirap. So, actually, sobrang hirap. Sobrang hirap ng gawin. Medyo dito na siya. Pero, ginagawa ko dati kasi parang nagpa-puppet show ako. Pag may stuffed toys. Dun ko, then yun yung entertainment namin ng mga brothers ko dati. Kumuha kami ng stuffed toys tapos, yun, nagbaboses kami.
Oh, thank you sa nag-send ng gift.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for sending gifts. Thank you. Thank you. Ay, Doc Sassy. Ay, Doc. Musta? Doc, thank you so much sa support mo. If nasa industry ka ba, inaalaw po bang mag-study while nag-artista? Yeah. Actually, I'm studying right now. Currently studying. I'm in Enderon. And, ayun. I'm also a scholarship. I'm also under scholarship kasi Star Magic ako. Kasi may partnership sila.
How is it like studying while working?
Studying while working, it's not for the faint of heart, I would say. Hindi siya madali. Pero, if gusto mo eh. Ganun talaga no? Parang,
What does your usual day look like when you have school and then
kasi I took a leave kasi I got too busy, we got a bit too much. Pero usually kapag may school day ako, parang gigising ako tapos or may schedule ako na nagkasabay sa school ko. Nagpapaalam ako sa school talaga. Yan. Yeah, yes, I have a project. Marami akong projects ngayon, guys. Grateful. Pero naka-NDA kasi ako, so hindi ko pwede sabihin. Close ba kayo ni Jeremy? Yeah, yung musical sobrang lapit na, guys. As in abangan nyo lang, guys.
Sabi ni Don, may vid pa ako nung nag-perform ka sa Fairview for Tatak Sir Magic 2019. So happy
2019? Oh, wow!
Sabi ni Don.
Tagal na nun. Thank you, Don. Yung Fairview, yung Tatak 2019. Grabe, ancient na yun. Ancient text na yun. 17 pa ako nun. Ancient. Kasama yun that's my lore. Ayun yung lore ko. I used to perform on guitar every mall show. As in, wala akong -1.
Sasali ka daw ba ng ASG
ASG?
this year?
ASG? Ano yung ASG?
All-Star.
All-Star Games? Di na. Di na. Pass na ako, guys. Kaya nila yan. Kaya nila yan, guys. Hey guys, kamusta kayong lahat? So, sa mga bagong dating, I hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all having a wonderful lunch. Kung kaka-lunch nyo lang. Yeah, it's 2 p.m. pa lang.
Happy birthday. June.
Yeah. Well, kasi, di ako sasali sa ASG kasi, pag nasa theater ka rin, parang, sports na rin yan eh.
Actually.
Sports kasi lalo na yung... Oo.
Super.
Yan, nung nag-bagets kami, parang nag-sports ako every weekend eh. Kasi uso ngayon kasi pickleball, ganyan.
I-pickleball.
Yun,
Naglalaro
pickleball.
ka ba ng pickleball?
Hindi, badminton. Badminton, a bit, and konting basketball.
So, hindi siya nakasali sa Gen Z na,
Yeah.
hindi, kahit Gen Z and Millennial, ginagawa.
Yeah,
ng
ginagawa. At tapos yung running. Actually, running is a very big. Sobrang uso din ngayon ng running. Pero it's nice. It's nice to see people na mas active ngayon.
Yeah.
Sobrang saya. Ashray interaction. Nung nakita ko sila, like, pagpasok ko, they were like, "Hi, kuya." Sabi ko, ang sakit, kuya. ang status na ako.
Kasi gym,
Tito.
diba? Kasi gym.
Oo, gym kasi siya eh.
Tito na sabi ni Miss Kat.
Tito.
Kaya nga.
Ay, nanalo din si Danny. Yung nanalo sa...
Oo nga, si Danny. Hi, Danny. Danny, thank you din ah. Thank you din for joining. Oh my God. So, it's so nice. So nice din. I love shooting music videos, lalo na pag isang eksena lang ako. Cambio lang ako dun eh. But it's so nice.
Tapos yung binilang niya yung gano'n niya. 147.
Oh, 147.
Wow. But what's your
Hello,
favorite
everyone.
fitness activity?
Fitness activity. For me, either biking or weightlifting. Kasi biking, parang it's very scenic eh. So it's very... High rocks. Ang hirap ng high rocks. Actually, ang daming nag-high rocks ngayon din. Ayun.
Ngayon may sabi niya, pwede ba may hint about your upcoming musical or totally zero? Bawal.
Bawal? Si bawal. Oo.
Basta musical.
Basta may musical ako ngayon, guys. May gagawa ulit ako ng musical.
Basta malapit na yan.
Basta
Lapit na. Hindi ko na kailangan sabihin kasi lapit na.
Super, ayun.
Tsaka
Super.
manggugulat lang si Kate.
Manggugulat si Kate.
Manggugulat ako dyan.
Waiting. Abangan niyo yun.
Yeah. Sweet po ba ang Ashray? Yes, sweet sila. Actually, sobrang sweet nila. Nung nakikita ko sila, parang, ano ba yan? Sweet na tong dalawang to? Ayun, daming langgam, oh.
Also na third wheel.
Na third wheel ako dun.
Ready na daw ang boses nila Ate Cal and Mika for
Ayun.
ni Danny.
Ayun, guys. Guys, sorry, if na-notice nyo na medyo nag-dark ako. Kasi I've been under the sun for the past few days because of the movie din. Ayun, may ginagawa din akong movie ngayon. Sobrang saya din. It's fun, like being in multiple mediums. Yung stage, tapos movie, tapos teleserye din. Ganon, ang dami kong ganap. Tapos ayun, voice acting din.
Yeah.
So fun.
Different preparations for for
Different
all the
different preparations for everything. Oo. Parang sample
Oo.
kanta, anong kanta? Anong kanta gusto niyo, guys?
Sa album.
Yeah,
Nasa album. Ayan, guys, I also have an album. It's self-titled Kid Estrada. You can stream it on Spotify and other major streaming platforms. Yun.
Thank you daw sa nagsend ng gift. Pero sino ba yung
May nag-comment dito, pa-cover po, mouth. Joke ka, wala
Sino
naman.
yan? Babla ko. Sino yan?
Joke ka,
Babla ko.
wala naman. Gawa-gawa ko lang yan.
Niniwala lang ko eh. More projects to you of course, yes. Abangan niyo yan. Tita Noli, thank you for thinking.
Ay, Tita Noli, hello, Tita. Hello, everyone. Ayun.
Favorite song from the album?
Favorite song from the album? Either Stay or Ikaw ang Simula. Ayun, Ikaw ang Simula. Kaya yan din yung first na ginawang music video kasi I would say it's one of my favorite songs din.
Pwede may sample.
Kantahin mo raw yung stay.
Hope you know. Sige. Kuha lang ako ng instrument. Ito. Hindi ko kaya kasi walang instrument.
Wait natin.
Kailangan ng instrument.
Let's go. Stay. May nag-comment. Ikaw ang simula tsaka stay. Gusto niya rin daw yun.
Wait lang. Dina-download ko lang yung instrument ko, guys.
Ikaw daw kakanta sa kasal niya.
Ako daw kakanta. Sige, G ako. Ikaw ang simula ang song.
Oh, thank you for the gift, Coco. Ako yung nagtithank you pa.
Thank you for siya yung nag-give. Oh, ikaw na. So, yun.
Ay, naku.
Yes.
Mamapayo ba?
Kuya, mag-join po ako. Sige, ikaw po, kayo na lang po sasunod ng live. Hello everyone. Guys, ito daw si ano. Hi guys, Star Magic pala. Star Magic. Kailan yung ano? Kailan last live ng Star Magic?
Last week.
Last week?
Miguel. Miguel tsaka Eliza.
Si Miguel and Liza.
Dalawa sila.
Oo. Cute din sila. Cute din. Actually, yeah. Cute din sila.
May interaction kayo dyan.
Wala.
Tama ba? This girl ba yun?
Kumusta? Ayun guys. Almost done downloading. Hindi pa. Wala pang halfway. Wala guys.
Cute ka rin.
Basta stream nyo na lang album ko guys, KD Estrada, on Spotify and on major streaming platforms. Ano yung movie mo, bawal po muna sabihin. Pero actually kakaiba din siya. Like hindi siya yung usual na movie. It's I'm very happy to be part of it. And grabe din yung cast na nakasama ko diyan. So abangan niyo yun guys. Yun. I rap? Okay. Oh, thank you na pala ako, guys. Thank you guys so much.
Nanood.
Dami nanood. Actually, dami nanood ngayon. Thank you guys so much. And I hope you're all having a great, wonderful Tuesday. And don't forget to follow me, KD Estrada _ sa IG, TikTok, X, Facebook. And abangan nyo yung mga projects ko, guys. Dami yun. May isa akong musical, may isa akong movie, may isa akong animated na series which is Sun Chaser. May teleserye din ako na parating. And yun lang naman guys. Thank you. And thank you Star Magic din for letting me do this live. Thank you guys. Love you all. Ayun.